Vehicle applications: Dodge Ram, 2007, 2010, 2500, 3500L 66.7L, 2008, 2010, 4500, 5500L 66.7L, 2011, 2022, 2500L 66.7L, 2019, 2022, 2500 V8 6.4L, 2011, 2022, 3500L 66.7L, 2019, 2022, 3500 V8 6.4L, 2011, 2022, 4500L 66.7L, 2019, 2022, 4500 V8 6.4L, 2011, 2022, 5500L 66.7L, 2019, 2022, 5500 V8 6.4L. Double maximum protection. FRAM automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with FRAM engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Smoother horsepower performance. Extra guard filter is designed to clean up exhaust so that the engine is less likely clogged by dirt. With a cleaner output, the engine is able to function efficiently, leading to a smoother and higher horsepower. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, extra guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. FRAM Extra Guard air filters are your first line of defense, preventing damaging road dust and dirt particles from entering your engine. Extra Guard air filters are engineered with an advanced filter media that lets through 2x less dirt than average leading standard retail brands and protects your vehicle's engine up to 2 years or 12,000 miles. Replacing a dirty air filter with a new FRAM Extra Guard air filter can help increase horsepower, acceleration and overall engine performance. Get better protection with ease and install a new FRAM Extra Guard air filter today. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and fast to install. With this price I can afford to change out the filter without the high cost of a factory replacement.